Today's egg wrap is on my screen, so let's learn. We're going to grab our material. This material I'm using is a sego material, and I got it divided into two equal parts, which we refer to as 50-50. So I place it on my lap to make my pleats. You can place it anywhere to form your own pleats, but I decided to form it on my lap so that I'll be able to show you. So I made 4 pleats because I am okay with that, and I need excess to cover up the middle of my head. So if you have your head on, you can make 5-6 pleats, whichever way. So after making the pleat, it is very compulsory to make sure that they are well laid to the level of your hair so that it doesn't get scattered. So once I'm done here with laying of the pleated parts, I'll just go to the back and cross the hand. Okay, take right to left and left to right, and I'll just twist the excess like it is showing. So I have to keep that under my armpit in order to work with the other parts, since there is no one holding for me. So I'm twisting this other part as well, and once I'm done twisting it, I'll go for the next step, which is just to place on my head like this, then twist it again, right to left and left to right. So I'm going to pick one of the part up like this, stretch it out, arrange it and secure. What I do to right, I'll do to left. So I'll stretch out again, fold the beads and secure with the pleats, with the twisted parts like I did to the other one. So this is stretching out and time to pin down. So once I'm done, we are almost done with this style, and you can see how simple it is. DIY edge wrap. Join us in this community to learn easy way to tie your edge wrap. So if you like, you can leave it like this and you are good, but I just want to fold in like this, merge it together at the center and secure it. So once I'm done securing, I'll come back for adjustments. Look at it, it will show where you need to touch. Just look at it and touch it, work around it, and when you're satisfied, you leave it like that. So I'll come to the back and cover up that place by securing it down with another surface pin. So it is time for me to just adjust the front, shift it back a bit, give it a touch, and I'm done. So if you are watching my video and you are learning and you want other people to learn, why don't you share? And don't forget to like, follow for more. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.